Hey, what's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is Eric VTuber, and I just want to make a quick video for you guys. It is the first Tuesday of the month, which, hey, this month, it happens to be November 1st when it falls, but it's the first Tuesday of the month, which means that Epic is putting out a bunch of free content, free for the month. I just want to show you guys what's available. There's a few things that I'm definitely going to grab myself. We've got a clothing store, which has clothing and shoe stores. Any of these, you can go in and take a look at the sample graphics and see what's there. So if you're doing anything in the retail environment space, you may want to grab some of this stuff. But there's also a lot of good models in here and assets that maybe you want to use for a different environment. And there's certainly a showcase video if you want to take a look at that. The other one is there's a physical interaction system. I took a look at this one myself, but did not have a particular need for it right now. But there's some cool things if you're needing to look at some interactivity. There's also one for a universal camera. That one doesn't really appeal to me, but it's a very comprehensive demo. It's about a 55-minute demo that walks through that. So I think for some of you that are doing some maybe RPG work or other type of environments, you might want to check out the universal camera system that is now available for free. This one is the one that I like the most. I'll definitely be grabbing it. This is a interior. It's a loft office. There's a lot of good models in here, including the doors. I like the desks, the chairs. There's some good lounges and just a lot of good assets in this environment, including the walls and lighting. So if you find anything that you like, just go ahead and add it to your cart, and that will drop it up into this area. And then once you finish your shopping spree for all the free assets that you want, you can just go ahead and make a purchase. The last one is animated rain. This one looks pretty impressive if you want to create an environment where you need rain, whether that's an outdoor environment or they've got a good patio example. Again, all of these have really good YouTube videos that you can see more in depth what it is. But I just want to give you guys some highlights there. Once you have what you like, just go back to your cart and complete your checkout. And it's zero cost. So might as well take advantage of this every month. First Tuesday of the month, free assets from Epic. Thank you, Epic, for doing that. And thank you guys for joining me on the channel.